Hello students, welcome to EDUAID. I am Amarjit Deb, Assistant Professor, Assam Don Bosco University, Guwahati. Well, this is a continuation from my previous lesson on the functions of management. We are going to discuss today the first function of management. And what is that? Yes, all of you are right. You have learned the first function of management, which is planning. Planning refers to course of action in order to determine or in order to achieve the predetermined objectives. In order to achieve the predetermined objectives. Now, planning tries, there are various to-do lists in planning. To-do, kiki ami koribo lage, okay? Kiki ami koribo lage in order to achieve what we have planned. Who is to do it? Who is to do it? Kune koribo? What is to be done? When is to be done? Where is to be done? And how it is to be done. To do signifies the work that needs to be done. Tumaloke beleg naam tu lobo para. Tasks, activities to be done. Okay, that's your to-do list. Buzi palane? Now, planning helps you to properly design your strategy in terms of the various activities that you will like to undertake. Okay. Now, in order to understand planning better, we need to find out what are the features of planning. What are the things that are required in order to plan in a successful manner? Okay, so let's write the first feature of plan, which is in carrying out these activities. Do you think there is some amount of thinking going on? Levels of management. Top level manager does a lot of planning. Which level managers do a lot of planning? Every level manager does a lot of planning. But if you're talking of planning with reference to organizational strategies, then who does it? It is the top level manager, right? Now, how do you decide what is good or bad or what is the future? Based on certain facts, figures, data, statistics, a lot of journals, a lot of reading, a lot of research. So, therefore, planning is an intellectual process. Thik ase? Buzi palane? It's a thinking process, it's an intellectual process. Sumar, you need to have some mind in order to find out what you are going to do. As I said, you can apply planning to your own study. In the present scenario, how do you plan? Okay, I tell my students, I already told them, I'm telling all of you that, you know, whatever lessons with reference to business studies or any other paper, you can make a nice Excel sheet and on the side you can write the topics that have been covered or that will be covered, and you know what is your level of learning that you have achieved, what are the questions that have been discussed. So what will happen, 1 or 2 page will be a summary sheet of your entire plan, and you can actually test yourself how well you are progressing. Because please understand, in this whole business of online where you are not in front of me, you know, as a student you need to be very organized and disciplined. Okay, you can learn at your own pace because it's not a fixed classroom, but you need to be disciplined. There is no compromise on discipline when it comes to achievement. Okay, so far as your academics is concerned, your results are concerned. As a result, it's an intellectual process. Buzi palane tomaloke chinta kori koribo lagibo as per your own ability, right? Let's move to the second point, which is planning e ki kore? It determines the future course of action. In the next 2-3 months, what you are going to do. We are already clear what we are going to do. You need to be clear what you are going to do. Okay, as learners. Similarly, organizations, you know, Ajit Dinot organization office khula nai. You know that in this crisis, in this emergency. As a result, organization is trying to find out its own strategies. Okay, and we say, there is a saying, necessity is the mother of invention. Please remember that whenever there is crisis, you have new products coming out in the market. Okay, I remember 2 years back in a scenario of flood in Assam, you know, there was an entrepreneur who came out with a floating house, a 2-bedroom apartment which is floating just like a balloon. It has got a study room, it has got a kitchen, it has got a washroom and a bedroom. Okay, you can actually keep it aside during the off time and during rainy season and floods. You need not stay away from your place. Your house is floating. Okay, so therefore, you know, in any scenario, it is the business people who takes lead in coming out with innovative products. IIT Guwahati is coming out with a lot of innovative products. Okay, similarly, various other venture firms. Okay, so you guys can think about it. Let us move to the next point. Planning is action, right? But action or agot ki hobo? Action is preceded by, before action, you have your plans as per your, you have your plan as per your resources. Okay, clear all of you? Action or agot ki hobo lagibo plan. So therefore it is number A is plan followed by number B. Eto monot rakhiba. Okay, plan is followed by action. And what is the last point? That can be the first point as well. Planning is the primary function. It is like a backbone in our human body system. Okay, it's the primary function. It keeps, planning keeps all the other functions in place. Okay, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, and here this is, you can say this is the plan. Okay, it is the primary function. Okay, students, so today you have learnt about, what did you learn today? You learnt about the features of what is plan, what is planning, and what are the features of planning. So that's your question, please note it down. Explain the concept of planning and discuss its features. Hey, saita features tumaloke discuss kori lobo. Or simple case based small questions can come in terms of each of the features, whether planning is an intellectual process, why planning is an intellectual process, explain. Moi tumalokok bujaiso etu. Okay, what do you mean by future course of action? Okay, tar mane to ki planning or role to ki future course of action. Ei bostu to, who is to do the work, what is to be done, when is to be done, and so on and so forth. Okay, students, thank you for your patient hearing.